It's time to start thinking about cryptocurrencies more than ever before. Largely down to the number of people looking for fiat, real money alternatives, cryptocurrencies have seen exponential growth in the last few years. Because of their exciting potential, Bitcoin, Ripple, Cardano, and Tron, to name a few, have a huge amount of buzz, with BTC recently, December 2020, surpassing 23,000 per coin. With all that in mind, there's no doubt as to why cryptocurrencies are so exciting. In truth, they have the potential to change our way of life, being fully electric or in the cloud, completely decentralized and free of conventional banks. Aside from the financial benefits, cryptocurrencies also have many other uses, which is why there is so much hype with companies like Amazon, Apple, and Facebook all looking into crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about 10 use cases for cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and what it could mean for our world in the future. Number 10. Augmented reality. Since the explosion of Pokemon Go, companies like Candy Lab have paved the way for geolocation-based augmented reality, leading to a new breed of tech startups popping up all over the world. Eventually, the future of experiential marketing, location-based events, real and virtual, could be a step change brands and consumers could revel in. Companies like Fluffer.io, in partnership with Blendar and Candy Lab, use cryptocurrency to drive exciting in-person experiences using blockchain-based social currencies. Number 9. Digital publishing and advertising. Publishers and advertisers are struggling to find ways to work better together. Think about it. Traditional banner ads, like the ones you see here on YouTube, can sometimes have almost nothing to do with a video and often are irrelevant to the person watching. The same goes for articles too. In an attempt to fix the irrelevance issue, Solid Opinion have released a new type of pay-per-article advertising, where advertisers can pay for valuable advert space above a piece of content a consumer is watching or reading. This new technology utilizes a form of cryptocurrency called engagement tokens. It works by both publishers and audience members earning tokens by commenting and publishing original content, and advertisers purchase tokens to select their ad placements among relevant pieces of media. A great use case for cryptocurrency is the ability to take advantage of tracking. With advertising, this technology makes sense. Solid Opinion's engagement tokens can track engagement and the spread of information, which gives online advertisers the info they need and the tools to use it more efficiently. Number 8. Going green. Cryptocurrency can be used to make the world a greener place too. How? Well, let's take Brooklyn Microgrid. With this crypto-based system, people who own solar panels are able to sell green credits through an app. To residents who don't have direct access, imagine you live in Alaska where you have permanent nighttime through the winter, which of course increases the use of solar tech and decreases the reliance on carbon-based fuels. Number 7. Eliminate electoral fraud. In the recent US electoral campaign, electoral fraud was one of the Trump administration's main reasons for defeat. Well, good news. Cryptocurrency has the ability to help battle exactly this problem. Co-founder of Democracy Earth, Santiago Siri, a nonprofit that's designing a blockchain-based app that essentially allows users to vote. Siri says that with cryptocurrency, electoral fraud or any other kind of corruption involving money will no longer be possible. The blockchain is incorruptible. No one can modify or subvert how the votes are stored, and that's vital for democracy. Number 6. Cleaning up charities. Cryptocurrencies can also be used to avoid corruption in charitable organizations, no matter the location. Because of crypto's ability to keep organizations accountable, blockchain can help to eliminate problems that occur within charities such as fund leakage. The World Food Program, WFP, is using a new crypto-based food allocation network to distribute cash to those that are hungry. Number 5. Ethics in business. Cryptocurrency can also be used to improve the ethics that exist within businesses. As blockchain is based on the principle of transparency, businesses with a history of human rights abuses, such as the textiles or fishing industries for example, will hopefully adopt more ethical practices within their businesses. Number 4. Education. Schools, more so now than ever before, are accepting cryptocurrencies as a form of payment. According to Futurism.com, universities in Switzerland, Germany, Cyprus, and the United States have started accepting Bitcoin as payment. With the ability to keep the identities and personal information of students confidential, this form of payment is getting more popular among a younger generation and is expected to grow in popularity considerably. Number 3. Travel and tourism. The chance to use cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as a form of payment is becoming more and more accepted as retailers around the world adopt this new method of payment. Transactions in the travel industry is just one example. For example, the website cheapair.com has been accepting Bitcoin as a method of payment since 2013. Number 2. Raising funds. New startups are using cryptocurrencies in order to fund their ventures, turning away from traditional routes to finances such as venture capital, private equity, or crowdfunding. Startup leaders around the world are turning to cryptocurrency as a means to obtain funding. Some startups are even creating their own coins, listing them on popular crypto exchange websites like Binance.com and raising vast sums from individuals buying coins that in effect replace traditional shares in a company. It's smart as the company owners are not giving away any equity in their businesses. Number 1. Wealth management. Saving the best to last, wealth management is one of the most thrilling ways cryptocurrencies can be utilized. Companies like As Swiss Borg, for example, are creating their own crypto-based tokens for investment solutions. The company gives investors some great opportunities to manage their wealth without the red tape that surrounds traditional investment solutions. According to the Swiss Borg website, whether you're an individual, a DAO, or a financial expert, Swiss Borg is a democratic ecosystem where you can manage a portfolio of crypto assets. As we have discussed, there are many ways that cryptocurrency has the ability to change everyday life, and we've only just scratched the surface. As cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ripple, Cardano, and Tron gain popularity, the list of use cases will keep expanding, and the ways we live our lives will keep changing. Please like and subscribe for more videos from the Quark. Stay strange, everybody.